Hello. Today I want to talk to you about tables. I know they usually sound pretty boring, but I think they're fantastic for mise en place, meaning getting all your ingredients ready to go. So what I will do is when I start creating anything, I'll actually make a table first so I can see everything that I have. So let's say we have a card just like this. Okay. How did I get the table? Well, normally when you start off, you'll get something maybe like this, which would be like a bar or something. I'm going to go to chart types in the top, and I can go to popular charts if I want to. I can scroll down the table, or I can click popular charts again, go to tables and text boxes, and we have a whole variety of tables. And I'm going to pick mega table, which is the same exact thing that I did. Now, let me show you some tricks with a table. So we are probably used to very black and white Excel looking table, and that's completely fine. But can we make it better? I think we can make it better. Check this out. If I go to header row right here under chart properties, I can click header row and I could change that header color to be a different color. Something so small like that helps you just delineate a little bit more. Okay. One other thing is I can go to total row right here. Under total row, I like to do this. I like to make that color a gray color, and I like to put that total at the top. I like to say total row position, put it before instead of after, because I don't want to scroll all the way down to find my totals. Hey, what if I don't want a total? What if I want a total for revenue, but I don't want for orders? Well, check this out. I can go right here so I can find my column number. 1, 2, 3 for orders. 1, 2, 3. Click that. I could say total, hide, and it's gone from that one. So now you can choose which columns you want the total to be on. Okay. Now let's get into some real stuff. Check this out. Heat map options. I think this is very underrated. If I were to ask you right now, hey, which company is doing the best? It's kind of hard to tell just by looking at the numbers. But if I do heat map options, if I say color is heat map, look at that. And if I change this to be, I don't know, purple or something, the higher the number, the darker the color. Okay, but all these numbers are being compared to the same scale, meaning AOV, average order value, is being compared to revenue, which is like not the best thing to do. If I choose independent column ranges, now the numbers are only compared within that column. Oh, now it's easy for us to see that A is clearly the best company because it has the highest revenue, highest orders, not the highest AOV though, but also pretty high spend. Okay, that's kind of cool. Can we make it better? We could totally make it better. Check this out. I'm going to go heat map options, show diverging. And on show diverging, I can say midpoint value, median, show midpoint range. I can make that color a yellow, and the upper color, I can make that a green, and the lower, I can make that a red. And now what I'm able to do is just by using color, I can say, oh, okay, A is the best, B is definitely the worst because anything above that median of yellow is a green, anything below it is a red. Pretty easy, right? Little things like that, it's a table. But little things like that really help us understand tables better, faster, a better user experience. My thing is you got 3 seconds for somebody to understand what they're doing. If they don't know it, you lost them in 3 seconds. So use these little tricks to make your tables better. Hey, I have a surprise for you. If you want to get really good at Domo, well, that's what I do. I teach people how to become very, very, very good at Domo. And I have these online courses. And with this, I have a specific course called Domo 201. And you can see here in 201, I go over every single ETL function and all the chart types. So if you sign up for a trial of Dashboard Dudes, you can get access to this course and actually all the other courses that I have for 14 days. Give it a shot, check it out, see if you like it. In addition, you get 30 minutes with me every single month. So you can ask me a specific question. If you have one, you get one email from me a month so I don't spam you of the latest and greatest news that's happening in Domo or Data World. And you get my video FAQ. So if you have a question I might have already answered through videos, you get access to that. All right, give it a shot, and I hope it helps you out.